हेलो सत श्री अकाल, यू ऑल आर वाचिंग पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स। मैं हूं आपके साथ नमिता सृष्टि और आज हमारे साथ हैं द रियल हीरो ऑफ ओटीटी, और आई शुड कॉल हर द शेरनी ऑफ ओटीटी। आइए उनसे ही जान लेते हैं। सो वी हैव विद अस अ वेरी गॉर्जियस एंड टैलेंटेड सुष्मिता सेन हु इज विद अस राइट नाउ। सुष्मिता मैम, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका। कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ऐसे हेलो बोलूं?
नहीं नहीं, आपके पंजे फिर से बाहर निकलने में अभी वक्त है।
Namita, thank you for that lovely introduction. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am, and it's an honor for me to have you here on Punjab Kesari.
No, the honor's all mine. Thank you so much for inviting me.
So, ma'am, you have become the real hero of OTT. आप क्या चाहेंगे, आपको शेरनी बुलाया जाए या फिर रियल हीरो बुलाया जाए?
आर्या चलेगा.
That's better.
Arya defines everything. I think it's moments like this हमें मौका मिलता है to thank the people behind it. क्योंकि आर्या तो audience को दिखती है as a character, as the central character of a very powerful series. But इसे बनाने में और आप तक पहुंचाने में इतने सारे लोगों का हाथ होता है और मेहनत होती है, और वो तो वैसे भी होती है, लेकिन कोविड के दौरान लॉकडाउन में बबल में रह के अपने परिवारों से 2-3 महीने दूर रह के लोगों ने ये शूट किया है. So big shout out to everybody. I think you make Arya what it is. So if there is a hero of OTT, then you should just call it Arya, because then everyone's involved in it.
And I love this attitude of yours. You always have like the gratitude for others.
But it's true, Janmiri. I believe, Namita, के गलत करने में किसी की मदद की जरूरत नहीं होती. हम अकेले कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कुछ भी अच्छा अचीव करने के लिए it's always a teamwork. You cannot do it in isolation. So if you don't thank them, then you really are not appreciating the core behind that success. So, but thank you for appreciating it.
I totally agree with what you have said. Now, Arya 2 has become one of the most anticipated shows on OTT. How does that make you feel?
Like that.
Duga Duga.
Yeah, Duga Duga. Oh, you know Duga Duga. That's lovely.
I follow you on Insta, na?
Only. So, okay, Duga Duga it is. Yes, it's, you know, I watch it, the anticipation, the excitement, the everything. As the actor playing Arya, I'm excited, yes. But I'm also very excited as the audience. I'm very excited to watch it, binge watch it with everybody.
Wow.
Because हमने थोड़ा बहुत dubbing में देखा था जब हम dub कर रहे थे. But I haven't seen the final edit. I haven't seen what the season looks like now.
Seriously?
No, I haven't seen it. So, and I choose that. I prefer that because मेरा काम खत्म होने के बाद I don't like to look at it, because then I want to see the final thing, because वहां तक मेरा काम था और फिर आगे editors का काम है, background score का काम है, director का काम है. So then I let them do what they are best at, and then I like to see the final result. And I think filmmaking at large is a job where you have to trust people that you work with and let them surprise you, you know.
Definitely. I am waiting for Arya 2, and now I would like to ask you, like, besides of what we are watching in the trailer, that you have become so powerful, you have become the tigress or lioness, I must say, but then what do you think personally the transition of progress has come into your character from first season to second season?
First season was all about protecting children. It was never about revenge. She didn't even know she had to take revenge for anything. She just thought life had served her a hand, and she was stuck in an impossible position. This season, she recognizes the value of saving her own life, because if something happens to her, her children are, as it is, in very deep trouble. So the focus from the outside going inwards this time for Arya. The focus from running, bas bhagna hai. Don't need this, don't want to be here, don't want to be in the midst of this business or these people. to coming to a realization that शेर की सवारी नहीं करोगे तो शेर खा जाएगा.
क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया.
So that is where Arya is in season 2, where she says, "Bas, no more running." So
भागना नहीं है, भगाना है.
हाँ, और वो I think भागना नहीं है, भगाना है season 3 है. मगर ये भागना नहीं है. And I think that is the scary part. That आप अगर if you are being hunted, then you have fear. But if the one being hunted becomes the hunter, तो सामने वाला भागने लगता है. So I think that for me, this season was so powerful because मैं शुरू से ये सोच रही थी कि आर्या कब एक्सेप्ट करेगी, because वो भागते चली जा रही है. She is constantly trying to fight what is her destiny. And when she accepts it, what happens then? So yeah, when we got to that moment, of that red Arya, that was that moment. And I think when you see it, even when I saw it, I was like, "Arey baap re, kahan se aaya?" It's amazing, the process of shooting something that is so real. कोई कट नहीं है, कोई अलग से क्लोजअप नहीं है. आपका एक टेक शुरू होता है, 40 मिनट तक चलता रहता है, 30 मिनट तक चलता रहता है. There is no jump in continuity. It's like life. You live it. So that moment pretty much describes Arya. So I'm so thrilled Mr. Ram Madhwani chose to keep that as the last shot of the promo, because that summarizes Arya of season 2.
Okay, as Sushmita, do you think that women world over would ensure their and their family's safety themselves now?
I think they always have, in limited, in their own limited capacity. But I mean, when we look at Arya's life, her environment is really deadly, You've got guns, and you've got dons, and you've got mafia, and you've got the drug cartel. ये सबकी लाइफ में नहीं होता है. But I think women at large, मैं ये बार-बार कहती आ रही हूँ कि you don't have to be Arya in this world to be a don, You attack a woman's family, especially her children. I have seen the most submissive women come back aggressively at you. And that just is Mother Nature, and a mother, we just have it in us. We are full of beauty, different seasons. We have so much to us. But you start attacking nature, and nature comes back full force. वो चीजें जो इतनी खूबसूरत थी नेचर के बारे में, that starts punishing us. So I think women are much like that, Mother Nature. You don't want to mess with them.
So Arya has been one of the most successful female lead shows on OTT. How do you feel like when this show became so much hit?
Top of the world, like top of the world. Of course, it's been a huge feeling of a fabulous comeback, and people receiving Arya there for me, and so many of us actors who kind of collaborated on Arya season 1. Even Chandrachud, for that matter, came back after a long hiatus, and बड़े प्यार से लोगों ने वापस receive किया. So it was amazing. Then we got nominated at Emmys, amazing. 7 best actresses, amazing. मतलब there's no end to how many amazings there were. But this time, I'm going to be even more excited because the first season was a surprise. This time, they know Arya. They're expecting a very different narrative than the first one, because there's no surprise in this one. So now is the real test, of how the story has progressed. So I'm very, very excited, Janmeri. I'm praying, Namita, that they love season 2 even more than season 1.
Definitely, they will. They will. अच्छा, how does that make you feel when people recognize you or people call you with the name of Arya? Because बहुत कम
अरे, the
characters के
best
साथ
feeling
ऐसा
in the
होता है.
world, the best feeling in the world, Namita, is me landing in Jaipur.
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ, क्योंकि आर्या राजस्थान से है. So the minute I land in Jaipur, I'm not Sushmita anymore. Everybody will start running. Khamma Gani, Arya ji, hukum, kaise hain aap? And it's just like, wow. You know, so yeah, I actually transform into Arya mode even before I get on set, just by landing in Jaipur. Anywhere in Rajasthan, they know me as Arya, and I belong there. It's a beautiful feeling. And this time when I went to Jaipur, they made me feel like, Rajasthan ki beti wapas aayi hai. So they are speaking to me in Rajasthani as well. So it's lovely. Very, very good.
One last, it's not a question.
Yeah.
It's like Chandrachud sir से जब हम बात कर रहे थे ना, तो वो बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं जो सॉन्ग है ना, तो मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट है. मैंने उनसे कहा कि प्लीज हमें गा के सुनाइए. वो आपके लिए गाते हैं, तो मैं चाहती हूँ आप भी इसको प्लीज एक बार गुनगुनाए ना. आपकी आवाज इतनी अच्छी है.
Rene, जल्दी आओ इधर. I will lip sync. That's what I do. बड़े अच्छे गाना शुरू करो फटाफट. My daughter sings very well. हाँ.
Okay.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये और तुम.
उन्हें बुलाइए ना.
बात है रेने. Well done.
उन्हें बुलाइए. ये तारीफ तो उनकी बनती है.
Rene saying she's not dressed for it, but अच्छा, so don't show the dress, just show your face. 4 सेकंड आ जाओ.
इसमें वैसे भी फेस दिख रहा है. इसमें सिर्फ फेस दिख रहा है.
फेस ही दिख रहा है ना.
Hello.
Hi Rene, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How
So pretty, wonderful voice you have. God bless you.
She sings very
so
beautifully.
Wow.
Lovely speaking to you.
I'm liking your hairstyle too.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Jan Meri.
Take care and all the very, very best for Arya.